In this lesson, we will discuss Mathematics of Finance, chapter number 5, exercise 5.1, question number 10. And question we have, how long does it take for 8500 invested at 11% annual simple interest to be worth 13,000? First of all, I want to make the question clear, then we will solve it. So it says, how long does it take? How long? It means we have to find out n. For 8500, suppose you have 8500 today. Now it means this is the present value, this is the P, and you are going to invest at 11% at the simple interest rate. So I is 11% and it will be 13,000. So you have to find out n. For how long does it take that your investment of 8500 will be 13,000 at the interest rate of 11%? So see here, this is the future value, or the accumulated value is 13,000. 8500 you have now, I is 11%, and you have to find out 100 and m is 1. So 8500, 1 plus 11 divided by 100, we will get 0.11 n. So what we have to do, just you have to simplify it. Take this 8500 to the other side, and here we have 1 plus 0.11 n. This 2 will cancel. Divide 130 divided by 85, we will get 1.5294 equal to 1 plus 0.11. Now take this one to the other side of the equation. So it will be negative 1 is equal to 0.11 n. Okay. So subtract this, we will get 0.5294 equal to 0.11 n. We want only n here. We do not want this 0.11. So divide both sides with 0.11. This will cancel. Okay, I will write down 0. 0.5294 divided by 0.11. It will be n is equal to, divided, you will find out 4.81 years. So it means if you are going to invest 8500 today at the interest rate of 11%, it will be 13,000. Question was, for how long does it take? It will take 4 years, 4.81 years. Practice this problem. If still any point is not clear, you can ask me. Subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching.